Hello TC volunteers! In this short video, we're proud to introduce our latest feature, transcription projects of digitized audio collections from around the Smithsonian. For fuller instructions, be sure to check out the TC Sound instructions page on our website. Just like textual projects, audio recordings in the Transcription Center are split into manageable segments. These segments are created automatically in our system based on pauses in the recording. The individual segments can then be transcribed simultaneously, also just like the textual projects we're used to. So let's see what this looks like. Here's an example of an audio transcription project page. The first thing you'll encounter is the player, which works just like any audio player you're used to. You can use the buttons to play and pause, skip forward and backward, and skip to the end and the beginning of the segment. In order to make audio transcribing as easy as possible, we've also added keyboard shortcuts. You can play and pause with Control spacebar, skip forward with Control F, and backward with Control B. And you can control the playback speed, decreasing, increasing, or resetting it. There are also keyboard shortcuts for transcribing the text. We've included shortcuts for inserting timestamps with Control I, long silences with Control S, and speaker names with Control 1, Control 2, and so on. This project includes 3 named speakers, but other projects will vary. Now that we've gone over the playback buttons and keyboard shortcuts, let's look at how you can actually transcribe the audio recording. There are many different ways to work on this, and you can do these steps in any order that best works for you, but I'm going to show you the one way that we do it. Click inside the transcription box and press Enter. This will insert the beginning timestamp of the segment. Then press the Control Space keyboard shortcut to start playing the recording. Begin typing what you hear, pausing, rewinding, and controlling the playback speed with the keyboard shortcuts as you need to. I'm going to transcribe for a couple of seconds to demonstrate how this is done.
And Porter, are you related to Bob Porterfield, who runs the theater in Virginia?
As a matter of fact, I am. We're cousins. And I've worked down there for.
Now that we've got some transcribed data in, we'll save the segment. Every time you save your work, your transcriptions will appear in the player above. This will allow you to see and review your transcription in real time, so you can correct mistakes before marking it complete for review. Then you can go back over what you've transcribed and space things out, inserting timestamps and speakers where necessary. I'll show you how I've done this below.
And Porter, are you related to Bob Porterfield, who runs the theater in Virginia?
As a matter of fact, I am. We're cousins, and I work down there.
For a deeper dive into inserting timestamps, speakers, and other edits into your audio transcription projects, check out our other instructional videos. And as always, reach out to us and fellow volunteers with questions, comments, and discoveries. We can't wait to see what we uncover in TC Sound projects as we listen together.